so black. Silly. Silly. Hello. Ooh! My inventory! Thank you! Look at this thing. I enchant the... I understand what you are saying. It will never... Thank you! Hehehehe. That was supposed to be the payment! You should give the a sword? Can you... A sword? I only have my iron one. So it will be cute. Good idea! Wait. I have to make a new one. It won't take it. It won't take it. She's making a sword. It's not taking my item. It really likes the carrot. You need to break the carrot. How do you break the carrot? You have to throw it. You need to take the carrot. Wait, how do you take the carrot? Use your bare hand. Oh. I'll protect you. I'm hungry. I need a crafting table. Aren't you in luck? Hey! Absolutely not! Get out of there. I'll protect my life. Oh! Is it mad that I took it? Ooh. Oh, wait. It's yearning! It's yearning again! Oh! It's so cute! It's so cute now! Oh my gosh, silly blue! The silly sword! You're a genius! Yeah, I call it Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends genius. No, this is genius. Perfect! Perfect! Ooh. Cute. Thank you, Kaela. My goodness. She's got the brains. She's got the creativity. She's got the grind. She's got the elytra. She's got the cool, not cute. She's got the coolness. Make sure you don't fly while bringing that blue alien. You will lose it. Oh, okay. I will try to get back now by boat. Your chest is so cute that she brings a chest. It's so cute. I mean, it's so cool that she brings a chest. I don't deserve her. She's right. I do need it for my play. That's how you grind. I will grind. Ding dang dang. Dang dang dang. Ding dang.